From a humble beginning in 1933 with 5 experimental sites, the CBH Group has built an enviable network of nearly 200 receival sites and 4 ports, a world-class system efficiently carrying the state's harvest to the markets of the world. From our establishment in the 1930s to the 1960s, there is a proliferation of construction around the state, with the number of receival sites hitting a peak of 305 in 1965. The rationalisation of these sites in 1970 and the opening of the iconic Kwinana grain terminal in 1976 were turning points for our cooperative. Then in 2002, cooperative bulk handling moved into grain marketing through our merger with the Grain Pool of Western Australia. This was a defining moment for CBH, beginning the transformation of the company into an integrated business focused on delivering a greater share of the grain value chain to growers. Since then, we've made investments in flour milling in Southeast Asia and put the ownership of a fleet of new locomotives and wagons back into the hands of growers. We've been through some hard times, but many good times too. We've fought off pests, drought and Great Depressions. We've weathered market crashes, production cost hikes and everything Mother Nature has thrown at us. But we're resilient, we're innovative, and we pull together through thick and thin. That's West Australian growers, and that's being a part of a cooperative. We've grown an industry from modest productions to record-breaking harvests. In our first harvest together, we received just over 42,000 tonnes of wheat. By 2012, this had risen to a record-breaking 15 million tonnes. An industry does not make these kinds of production leaps without taking on bold change and technological advances, sometimes in the face of significant opposition. We've shipped over 300 million tonnes in the last 80 years to our valued customers around the globe. We started with horses and bags and moved to high-tech trains and equipment, loading ships at thousands of tonnes per hour. Today, we stand together to reflect on an amazing 80-year history. Let's also look to the future. Our cooperative has an exciting future, with just as many challenges, changes and opportunities as we've seen in the past. Together, we can continue to strengthen our cooperative and our industry.